Hello friends, welcome once again to Saga's Online Maths. In this video, I'm going to provide a solution to this particular problem having here before us. Please, if this is your first time viewing, kindly click up the follow button to enter another exciting video. We notify. Now, this is quadratic what equation. Now, we are given that 15x squared minus 7x minus 2 is equals to what? 0. Now, I want to let you understand this in quadratic equation. Any expression written as ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0, it is a quadratic equation which has the highest power of the unknown, which is what? 2. So if this is your first time, this is Saga's place where problem are solved with a clear solution. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel, also follow us. Also, anytime I upload my exciting video like this, you also be notified. In quadratic equation, have 4 ways of what? Solving. 1, factorization method. 2, completing the square. 3, formula method. And 4, graphical method of what? Solving it. But here today, I'm going to use what? Factorization method to solve this particular problem, and you will love it. So please help me and share this video with others so that others will see the beautiful part of this. I know you will love this. You know me say for your life you are not experiencing this type of method I'm going to use to solve this, and you will like it. You will see the beautiful part about this. You can say math is difficult. The way I will solve it, you will love it. Now let's check. Now we're having 15x squared minus 7x minus 2 equals to 0. Now first thing what you will do, first of all, know this first. If the coefficient of x squared here is what? Is 15. And the equation of x here is minus 7. Minus 2 is our constant term. It didn't change. It's our constant term. So what are you going to do? Your first step, what you are going to do is to multiply 15 by what? Our constant. You understand? So 15 times 2 is what? Is minus what? 30. Look at we having x squared here. Look at what? X squared. That's your first step. Now, what you are going to do, your second step, what you are going to do, what are the factors of 30? What are the factors of 30? You understand? I want to ask you, Sagas, what is this factors you're talking about? Factors are those numbers that can go into 30 and come out without any what? Remainder. Or what are the multiples of 30 that can go into 30 and come out without any what? Remainder. You know that 10 is a factor, 10 is a factor, and 3 is also a factor. 1 set is also a factor, and 30 set is also a factor. You see? So let's work with this. So you can see that from here, what you are going to do, we are having 10, we are having 3. So what are we going to do? So I want to express this number in a way that will have what? Minus 7. Then when you multiply them, what? Minus 30. You know that here is our sum of root, and this is our product of what? Root. So if now let's see minus 3 plus what? 10. Minus 3 plus 10 is what? Minus 3 plus 10 is 7. Yes. So if we what? Minus 10 plus what? 3. So you can see that minus 10 plus 3 is what? Is minus 7. Then minus 10 multiplied by 3 is what? Is 30. So you can bring this down as this is one of the factors as what? Minus 10x, then minus what? 3 what? S. You can see that this is the same thing as this because minus 10s, sorry, plus. Look at plus. You having plus, sorry. You can see that minus 10s times 3x will give us minus 30x squared because x times s is s squared, and 10 minus 10 times 3 is what? Minus 30. You can see how simple and interesting it is. It's very simple. Now bring this down. This is your what? This is your 15s what? 15s squared. Then also bring our constant down. Our constant is what? Minus 2. Remember that all this is equals to 0. Now let's check 15 and 10. What are the LCM of 15 and 10? 5. No, 5 can go here, 5 can also go here. So since s is here and s is also here, so 5s is common. So we factorize 5s as since 5s is common, we bring it out into. Then 15s squared divided by s is what? 15s squared divided by 5s will give what? 3. 3x because 5s times 3s will give us 15s squared because 5 times 3 is 15 and s times s is s squared. Then 10 minus 10s divided by 5 is what? Is minus what? Minus 2. You can see because 5s times 2 is what? 10s. You can see minus 10s because 5 multiplied by minus 2 give us minus 10s. You can see how simple it is. So now let's observe this very clear. Then our left hand side here, s, we're having 3s here and minus 2. So what are the common? What are the LCM? What are the LCM? What is common here? People will say, Sagas, how will you know that something is common here? Because there's nothing common. Yes, there's something common too. If 3 can go into 3, but 3 cannot go into this. And if 2 can go into 2, but 2 cannot go into this, 1 can go. So 1 is common. So we bring out 1, that's 1 is common. We bring out 1 here, that plus 1 is common. You can see because 1 can go here and 1 can also go here. Into 3x divided by 1 is what? Is 3x. Then minus 2 divided by 1 is what? Is minus 2. You can see how simple it is. All this is equals to what? 0. Now, whenever you are doing a factorization method, either quadratic expression or quadratic equation, because they are different between quadratic equation and quadratic expression. So now Always focus that what is at your left hand side is equal what is at your left hand side. Make sure that these two parentheses are what? The same. If they are not the same, you are wrong. Then you have to check your work and try it again. So what is outside? You can see that what is outside, you're having what? 5x plus 1 is outside. Put them in single parenthesis. This and this are the same. Take one of them. We have 3x then minus 2. Remember that all this equals to what? 0. You know, most students will just stop here and say, God, thank you, I've done. My brother and sister, you're not done. Remember that this is not quadratic expression. If this is a quadratic expression, this is your answer. Yes, this is a quadratic equation. Remember that they are telling us that all this expression here is equals to what? 0. That means that is what you call quadratic what? Equation. So what are we going to do here? What we are going to do, we are going to solve it what? Respectively. What did I mean? We are going to solve each to find the value of s which can satisfy the what? Equation. So what we are going to do, if the product of these two quantities you are seeing here is equal to 0, it's telling us that either one of these is equals to 0 or this one is equals to what? 0. So what are you going to do? You say that 5s plus 1 is equals to what? 0, or 3s minus 2 is equals to what? 0. You can see that we are going to a beautiful linear equation. Why is it a linear equation? Because the highest power of the unknown here is what? 1. So what you do, you collect like 10. You transfer your 1 to your right hand side, you have that 5s is equals to what? 0 what? Minus 1. Because when the positive side crosses the positive side, we choose to what? Negative. Or 3s is equals to what? 0. When this cross over, you will become what? Plus what? 2. Now you now see that your you now see that 5s is equals to what? 0 minus 1 is what? Is minus 1. For us to have the value of s, you have to divide both sides by the coefficient of what? S. You know, one of my video I was doing a video and I said divide both sides by the coefficient of s. There's someone comment on my video say, I said that why not just divide both sides by the number, or just divide both sides by 5? I said, okay, as you are gotten here, say why not just divide both sides by 5? Why don't you just say speaking English, divide both sides by the coefficient? Now take it. Coefficient is that number. When I say divide both sides by the coefficient of s, coefficient is that number that's attached to the unknown what? Variable. Coefficient is that number, is that number that's attached to the unknown what? Variable. And you can see that 5 is attached to the unknown variable s. You can see that 5 is attached to the unknown variable s. So what you are going to do is to divide both sides by what? 5. Divide here by what? 5. 5 will go out, then our s will be equals to what? Minus 1 over what? 5. This is one of the solutions to this problem. From here, you can see that 3s is equals to what? 0 plus 2 is what? Is 2. Divide both sides by 3, divide here by 3, divide here by 3. 3 will go out, then our s will be equals to what? 2 divided by what? 3. And this is just the clear solution to this particular problem. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you find it very, 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 very interesting, help me. Share with others. Let others see the beautiful part of this. So thank you so much and God bless you.